road singing vegan mum. If you have never seen me before, please go to my YouTube, please like and subscribe. I've got some wonderful vegan recipes that I post up weekly, so please subscribe. Now, I don't know about you, but it's crazy out there. So just like you, I'm sure that you are reaching out and looking for hand gel, and guess what? There's none there. There's none out on the streets. So I thought, let me investigate. Must be able to make our own. So yes, it is so simple. It's less than a minute. I made my own hand gel in 1 minute. Now, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a scientist, but I've done a lot of research. Do your own research, but I have discovered this is how you can make your hand gel. But before we go into the hand gel business, I've got a joke. It's a great joke. I have to share it with you. I'm not good at telling jokes, so I'm going to read it. Breaking news. John Travolta was hospitalized for suspected COVID-19, but doctors now confirm that it was only Saturday night fever, and they assure everyone that he is staying alive. Apparently, he was diagnosed because he had chills and they were multiplying. No, that's funny, right? That made me laugh. You might have heard it already, but it's a very funny joke. Come on, it's funny. All right, whenever I do my videos anyway, you always see my aloe vera. So you can use shop bought aloe vera, but if you, oh sorry, what am I doing? So you can use shop bought aloe vera, but if you've got some aloe vera in your house, use it. 1 cup of 91% isopropyl, 91% isopropyl, and then half a cup of aloe vera, which I have just got, and then 10 drips of pure tea tree oil. And geezers and guys, that is literally it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 drops of this. I'm going to add a few drops of lavender oil just to give it a really lovely smell. We have just made hand gel. You can also use surgical spirits.
Smells better than anything that I bought in the shop today.
To have an effective hand gel, it has to be over 60% alcohol. But I also discovered witch hazel is good, and also surgical spirits is good. It's in the chemist in a boring looking bottle, or you can get it online. No need to panic out there. Make your own hand gel. What I've learned from the doctors is nothing beats washing your hands, and don't use the hand gel over the washing the hands. The washing the hands is better than using the hand gel. But if you, like me, are on the train, like today I was going from all the way from Essex all the way to Camden. It was a packed train. I had to hold on to the rail and the bars at some point. You know, when it jolts and stuff, I had to hold on to it. I'm there on the train trying to do a little hook thing, try not to hold on to the handrail. Had to in the end. It's a long journey. What you can do is get your hand gel. Success. So it smells absolutely gorgeous, and because it's got the little oil in there, it doesn't make your hands too dry. I can't believe actually how smooth aloe vera makes your hand feel. If you just had the raw aloe vera at home, boy, put this in your hair, put this in your hands, it feels so lovely. It's so lovely, the aloe vera on its own. Wash your hands, but if you can't wash your hands and you can't find any hand gel, look, we've just made some. Online there are doctors saying, oh, don't make your own, it's not going to be the high enough concentration. As long as it's over 60% alcohol, it will be fine. And to be honest, if there is no option because there's none in the shops, you're not going to be near warm water and soap, then make your own. It's going to be alright. It's better that you do something rather than nothing. I hope you like my solution for the hand gel shortage. I will see you next time.
Rainbow love.